Staring at Pipedrive's dashboard and have no idea where to click? In 5 minutes, you'll know exactly how to navigate and start managing your pipeline. We'll walk through the setup guide, then explore each key section: contacts, activities, deals, and more. Let's start by opening Pipedrive. So the first thing you want to do is head over to Pipedrive and sign into your account. Just go ahead and enter your credentials there, and give it a second for the setup guide page to load. This is your official starting point, and it's actually based on their recommended onboarding checklist, so you know it's solid. Now, take a look at the left navigation menu. This is your command center. You'll see Setup Guide listed right there. That's where we're headed first. But notice the other items too. You've got contacts, activities, deals, leads, insights, and sales inbox. We're going to touch on all of these as we go, so don't worry about memorizing everything right now. All right, let's click on Setup Guide. This brings up your main dashboard view. And right away, you'll see a section called Your To-Do List. This is Pipedrive's way of saying, hey, here are the first things you should do to get up and running. It's broken down into categories, and the first one you'll see is Cover the Basics. This is where the magic starts. Inside Cover the Basics, look for a task called Add a Contact. Click on that. Pipedrive will show you a quick description about managing contacts. And here's the really important part. Contacts are the heart of any CRM. In my experience, getting this right from the start makes everything else flow smoothly. You'll add a name, an email, maybe a phone number. Simple stuff, but it builds your foundation. Now, go back to the setup guide and locate the next task, Schedule an Activity. Click on it. This is where you start tracking your follow-ups and meetings. The description explains how you can log calls, set reminders, and keep your day organized. Think of it as your personal assistant that never forgets a task. Next up, find Add a Deal and click that. A deal is essentially an opportunity you're working on with a contact. The description here walks you through how to create a deal, assign a value, and move it through your pipeline stages. This is how you turn contacts into revenue, so pay close attention to this one. Now that you've covered the basics, scroll down and you'll see the remaining onboarding categories. There's Set up your sales process, which lets you customize your pipeline stages to match how you actually sell. Then there's Connect your communication tools. This is where you can link your email and calendar so everything syncs automatically. In my experience, setting this up early saves you a ton of manual work later. After that, you'll find Accelerate your workflow. This category introduces automation features like email templates and workflow automations. It sounds fancy, but it's just about doing the repetitive stuff faster. Then there's Add your team, which is exactly what it sounds like. Bring in your colleagues and set their permissions. And Track your progress lets you set goals and see how you're measuring up. Finally, there's a section called More to Explore. This is where Pipedrive tucks away the advanced stuff: custom fields, reporting dashboards, and integrations with other tools. Don't feel pressured to touch all of this right away. Just know it's there when you're ready. So here's the result. You can now navigate the Pipedrive dashboard, access key CRM features, and follow that onboarding checklist to start managing contacts, activities, leads, and deals. You went from staring at a confusing interface to having a clear path forward. That's the whole point. Thanks for sticking with me. Now, go ahead and play around with those first few tasks. You've got this.